Hey there, CS2 players, enthusiasts, and wizards. Welcome back to our channel. And for today's CS2 tutorial series, we are diving into an essential aspect of PC gaming. That is monitoring your frames per second or FPS in CS2. By knowing your FPS, you can fine-tune your settings for a best gaming experience. But before we jump into the action, if you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest adventures. They'll keep you on the loop for future content. And to our returning viewers, welcome back, and we appreciate you all for your ongoing support and could not wait to embark on another CS2 journey. Now let's get right into it. Okay, displaying frames per second in Counter-Strike 2 provides reasons and advantages for players and enhances their overall gaming experience. For one, FPS is a critical indicator of your computer's performance while running CS2. And by displaying FPS, you can easily monitor how well your hardware handles the game. It identifies potential performance issues, right? Knowing your FPS allows you to fine tune the in-game graphic settings. You can adjust, options like resolution, texture quality, and shadows to achieve a balance between visual quality and smooth gameplay. Displayed FPS helps you find the optimal setting for your system. And if you have recently upgraded your computer or made changes to your hardware, displaying FPS can help you test and assess the impact of your changes on your CS2 performance. Most of the time, FPS fluctuations or drops can indicate stuttering or lag issues in the game. So, you can pinpoint when these issues occur and take steps to address them, such as updating drivers or, just tweaking settings. In competitive CS2 matches, maintaining a high-end stable FPS is crucial. Displaying FPS ensures you're always aware of your system's performance, helping you stay competitive and responsive during matches. If your FPS suddenly drops, it can be a sign of overheating or thermal throttling in your hardware. So displaying FPS alerts you to potential overheating problems, so you can take preventive measures like improving cooling or cleaning your computer. Most of the time, content creators who record or stream their CS2 gameplay benefit from knowing their FPS because it helps them ensure smooth and high quality recordings or streams, providing a better viewing experience for their audience, right? And displayed FPS provides immediate feedback on the impact of in-game changes. So when you adjust settings or apply tweaks, you can observe how they affect your FPS, enabling data-driven decisions for optimizations. And when seeking assistance or advice from the CS2 community or support firms, sharing your FPS can help others understand your system's performance and provide more accurate recommendations. Now, all I gotta do is go to the game itself and go to your console. Okay, showing FPS in CS2 is a valuable tool that helps players optimize their gaming experience, trouble issues, and make informed decisions about their hardware and settings. It contributes to a smoother gameplay, competitive advantage, and overall enjoyment of the game. So while we are loading it up, basically all you gotta do is when you go to your console, all you gotta do is type in CL underscore show FPS, and you can assign any value like 1, and then there you have it. So if you find this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more CS2 tutorials, and yeah, see you in the next video. Peace.